The times are changing. You can no longer be a normal guy at a normal job. You either use AI to boost your success, or you'll lose your job and blame the system because you couldn't adapt. What is AI? Like, the word is thrown around. AI, 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 AI revolution, AI takeover. What is AI? And where can we use it? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence and is a program that can learn via human inputs. Where can we use it? Everywhere, anywhere you can think of. Now, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is the AI that can answer your questions. Of course, if it's not insane questions. And it is free to use. Why is ChatGPT everywhere? Well, because it is OP. Like, before ChatGPT, you had to go through all of the fitness YouTubers just to get a OK program. Now, watch this.
Here we go. So give me a push, pull, legs, splits, workout. Check this out. Yeah. Yeah. Push, pull, legs, pro. Yeah. And it's adding notes, bro. Come on.
This is why it's everywhere. How can we use ChatGPT for self-improvement? It can create you a good minimalist workout program. It can help your diet. It can help your sleep. It can help your business. It can do anything if it's not insane.
Oh man.
So if you ask the right question to it, it can genuinely 100x your progress on the self-improvement journey. So go get this OP machine, and if you have found this video valuable and or interesting, be sure to subscribe and share this video.